Halving the Workload, a simple guide to sharing efforts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a very useful phrase in the English language, halve the workload. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into a common workplace and academic concept. So, let's dive into what it means to halve the workload and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. Halve the workload literally means to divide the amount of work to be done by two. When you have something, you split it into two equal parts. So, when we talk about halving the workload, we're talking about distributing the tasks or responsibilities among two people or groups so that each has an equal or more manageable portion to handle. This phrase is commonly used in scenarios where tasks are overwhelming or too time-consuming for a single person to complete within a given time frame. By halving the workload, the efficiency and effectiveness of the work can be significantly improved, as it allows for a more manageable approach to tackling tasks. Let's look at some examples to better understand how this phrase can be used in real-life situations. In a workplace setting, imagine you're part of a project team with a tight deadline. You might say, "We need to halve the workload among the team members to meet our deadline efficiently." This means dividing the project tasks so each team member has a clearer, more achievable set of responsibilities. In an academic context, if you're working on a group project, you might suggest, "Let's halve the workload by assigning each person a section of the research paper." This ensures that the research, writing, and editing responsibilities are equally shared, making the project more manageable for everyone involved. In daily life, even outside of work or school, the concept of halving the workload applies. For instance, in a household, a couple might decide to halve the workload of daily chores, with one person handling the cooking and the other taking care of cleaning. Halving the workload is not just about making tasks easier. It has several key benefits. Increases productivity. By focusing on smaller sections of work, individuals can complete tasks more efficiently and with higher quality. Reduces stress. Managing a smaller portion of work is less overwhelming, which can significantly reduce stress levels. Fosters teamwork. Sharing tasks encourages collaboration and communication among team members, leading to a more cohesive and supportive work environment. Improves time management. With a divided workload, individuals can better allocate their time and resources, leading to improved project timelines and deadlines. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of the phrase, halve the workload. Remember, whether in a professional setting, in academic projects, or even in day-to-day life, sharing tasks can lead to more efficient and enjoyable experiences. So, the next time you're faced with a daunting amount of work, consider halving the workload. It could be the key to success and well-being. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!